Subscribe to see more videos from my end and click on that bell to get live notification. Hi guys, this is Didi and welcome to another new video. So today's video is something I've been researching from really long time. So today I'm going to talk about a drink which I'm sipping it every single day. It's called Rooh Afza. I'm going to talk about the benefits of Rooh Afza. I've been researching on it. So here we go. So the benefits of Rooh Afza is Rooh Afza helps in dehydration, improves energy, cardiovascular health, hemoglobin, helps in fever, vomiting, indigestion, cooling effects. It cools down the body. It cures the acne, clears skin, and gives a glowing skin. Ingredients in Rooh Afza contains herbs, fruits, vegetables, flowers, and roots. So these are the ingredients in Rooh Afza. Rooh Afza has been used in flavor sharbats, cold desserts, milk recipes, and cold desserts are one of those things that is made in Rooh Afza, well known globally. It is healthy, natural, concentrated, squeezed, mixed with a refreshing syrup. It's a must-have for a daily use for the best beneficial for your skin, hair, and other benefits for your body. Rooh Afza is discovered by Hakim Hafiz Abdul Majid, who was famous Unani physician of herbal medicines. He started it in Old Delhi in 1906. Rooh Afza is currently prepared by Humdard laboratories in India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh. It has effectively created a niche as among the list of top refreshing syrups across the world. I have already done another video on humdard, that's humdard safi, which is trending in my YouTube channel. If you guys have not checked that out, you can click the link given below. I will leave the link in the description box. And humdard safi is really good for your body, for your acne issues, for your skin, and for your hair. So do check it out. The link is given below. So let's see how we prepare this drink. I drink this every single day for even weight loss. So I'm adding 1 whole lemon into the glass. I even add sabah seeds. So right now I don't have sabah seeds. If you guys get sabah seeds, add on 1 handful of sabah seeds because sabah seeds is very good for weight loss. Then add on the Rooh Afza syrup. So a good 4 or 5 tablespoons of Rooh Afza I'm putting into the glass. And finally add the water and mix it really well. It should be mixed really well. And then sip it every single day. Drink this and see the results, and do let me know how it worked for you. This is Dimple signing off for now. Bye bye guys.